Want to move to Canada? Here's exactly how you can do it, even if you're starting from scratch. Visuals. Smiling person with luggage, Canada background, free healthcare, high-paying jobs, quality education. Canada is known for its quality of life, free healthcare, and plenty of career opportunities. Top immigration programs for 2025. Express Entry, PNP, Provincial Nominee Program, Student Visa to PR. Canadian Immigration Icons, Document Graphics. There are several paths to choose from depending on your skills and goals. 1. Check your eligibility. 2. Prepare your documents. 3. Create Express Entry profile. 4. Apply and wait for invitation. 5. Get your visa. Let's break it down into easy steps. Step-by-step process. Passport, IELTS score, educational certificates, ECA, police clearance, medical report. These are the essential documents and timeline. Application fee, $1,325 CAD. Processing time, 6 to 12 months. Know your budget and expected time to plan better. Common mistakes to avoid. Incomplete documents, low IELTS score, wrong NOC code. Avoid these mistakes to save time and money. Our support service. We help you with profile assessment, document preparation, visa application. We'll guide you at every step with expert support. Connect with us. Want to move to Canada? DM us now or click the link in bio. Let's start your journey today. Your dream life in Canada starts now. Contact us today.